Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over Gold Miners Jr. ETF ticker symbol GDXJ. Today we are up 2.2% on the 1-hour chart. We are overbought on the RSI, and on the 4-hour chart we were approaching negative MACD, but we quickly reversed due to news that Chairman Powell may consider cutting rates, but when he was in the financial committee today or this morning, so it's a possibility that may happen. So what we have on the daily chart is we are also approaching overbought territory on the RSI, so we may possibly hit overbought territory. With that news in mind, the dollar will continue to fall lower. And what we have here with gold miners is we may close higher high than previous back in June 24th. So that's a positive sign that the uptrend is still intact. On the other module, I'll compare today's current trend right here with this trend down here that dated back to April 22nd to July 17, 2014. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning of the trend, we have a down channel, and then we quickly reverse, touching the upper Bollinger Band. Touching the upper Bollinger Band right here. And we proceeded to go on higher, and we see another attempt touching the upper Bollinger Band right there, and then we see the price start to revert to the mean or near the middle Bollinger Band. On to here, we see similar price action. In the beginning, we see a downtrend, and then we quickly reverse to touch the upper Bollinger Band right here, and then another touch of the upper Bollinger Band right here as well. And then we reverted back to the mean, and we touch the middle Bollinger Band in this instance. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4 points as well. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecasts would also be the same. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day, where Gold Miners Jr. or GDXJ went to back in 2014, April between July. Yeah. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So back then, GDXJ was down roughly 1.6%. So we may see sideways action, but I do bet on gold price 2 point higher or sideways action. And here's the line chart. Let me isolate the current trend right here, and the April 22nd, 2014 to July 17, 2014. The line overlapped pretty well. So that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.